Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Oliver Wiedmaier at Ollie underscore all caps on Twitter. This video is being recorded on June 23rd, 2022, and will be posted on June 24th, 2022. And so as of today, as I'm reading the charts, I'm just going to give you a quick analysis of the biotech sector and why I believe, based on the price action, based on the volume, based on everything we know for a fact right here, right now, today, why I think biotech is the current leader and is going to be the leader coming out of this bear market. So what I like to do is I always look at all the ETFs and all of the sectors. And when doing that analysis, I'm looking for a few key things. So come with me and let's do a few analysis on some of the ETFs. So this is the SPY, and it's made this lower low, and it is getting a bit of a relief rally. Volume is still low. We want to see a huge follow-through day in order to really concrete that we have some sort of bottom in. So what I do is I just look at all the ETFs, and so I'll go ETFs here. So we'll look at ARKG, and yes, we have some serious price action coming up, but the volume is dropping. Is that something that that is something that I find to be a warning sign? Also, we did not make a higher high; we made a lower low. So this is something that I am weary of when doing my analysis. We can take a look at ARK. Volumes coming in, but again, not that above average volume that we want. It did make a higher low here. However, the volume, in my opinion, is drying up as prices shooting up, and I want to see huge volume coming up to signal that the institution buying has begun. And so we'll just keep going through a few names. This is the semiconductors. Nothing constructive here. Energy clearly has made the turn, which could mean that the low is near in the overall market, as energy was the leader, as you know, almost to the day, as the SPY started bottoming, or started turning to the downside, is when the energy sector started shooting up. So that means, if I mean, it doesn't mean for a matter of fact, but probability that since the sector that was leading is now making lower lows, that possibly that means that we will see some higher highs in the overall indices. We'll look at XLF. Again, trying but kind of getting stuck here. Anyways, so once we keep doing that, we will eventually come across biotechs. Where is it? Biotech is XBI. Okay, so now we have XBI. So we'll see that we took out this bit of support here. This support became resistance, and now it's potentially going to act as support again. But more importantly, we got all of this big volume coming in, and we have a higher low here. Now, this is not enough to say it's a bottom, but when this is paired with biotechs showing up on all of my screeners, that is showing me that we may have a new sector that is leading the market. We'll look again at this is a screener that's scanning for prices within 10% and sales over 30%. This is the same thing, but EPS rating. And what do we see? We will see biotech, okay, and drug manufacturing. And this is my favorite screener here, the 30-30-30 screener. And again, we see biotech names and drug manufacturing. Okay. So with all of those things combined with the volume coming in, I do believe that biosector is the leading sector coming out of this rally. And if this rally continues into the next bull run, I think that we will continue to see biotech names and drug manufacturing take the lead as they are advancing in price. They should be making higher highs and eventually become the the next market leader in making 52-week high after 52-week high after 52-week high is what we want to see. So this is just, again, a matter of fact as of June 23rd, based on price and volume. That is it. I can't predict the future, but based on what we see, it looks like the bottom is in on biotech. And based on the names showing up on the screeners, I think that we will have true market leaders coming out of the sector, the bio sector, drug manufacturing, coming out of this bear market. So I hope you learned something. I do have a new Discord. It's totally free. We have basically two chats. One is a locked chat that everyone can see, but only a few top traders can post in. And then the open chat, there's a lot of discussion of watch lists, screeners. Can you look at this chart for me? Can you do this for me? Do you do buy stops? All kinds of questions. And we have a bunch of really great traders in there asking lots of wonderful questions. And I'm in there all day. So if you want to talk to me one-on-one, or if you want to ask the group, or you just want to feel like you want to trade as a team, head on over to Voyage Trading Group on Discord. Okay, thank you.